Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily delete your Telegram account. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And let's get started. So, first of course, we will open the Telegram application. Then at the bottom, we will go to the settings. And already in the settings, you and I will need to find privacy and security. Here we will need to scroll down. And here we'll see a section like this, where we're asked how long we want our account, if we don't use it, to be automatically deleted. And we have options like 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. But if you want to delete your Telegram account right now, then you'll click on Delete Account Now, and you'll be presented with this page. Where you'll be asked if you want to change your password or if you want to change your account settings. Maybe something else you want to change, but if you just want to delete your account, then you go to the bottom, you find Delete My Account, click on it, and then you just have to confirm your action of deleting the account, and it will be deleted immediately. This is the easy way you can delete your Telegram account. I hope the video was helpful for you. Put your likes, write your comments. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And until new meetings.